Welcome. In front of me is a Narzo 50, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now you can see that my device is locked right here, and I could unlock it using the previously set up pattern, or if I close this it will tell me to use my Google account instead. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we can just kind of get rid of this. So for this we'll need a SIM card, and we'll obviously need a SIM eject tool. So progress through the setup till you get to I believe right here, and once you are here, I'm gonna just lock the device for now. I'm gonna take off the cover and pop in the SIM card. And one last info, which is fairly important. The SIM card needs to have some kind of pin set on it. So if your SIM card doesn't have one, pop it into a different phone, set it up, and then insert it back into here with that SIM already set up. And the reason for that is when you put in a SIM card with a pin, it will prompt you to put that pin. So once we do so, it will lock the device. So from here we want to access, there we go, this. Once it pops out, you want to slide it down. This will pull down your notification panel. From here select the settings icon, and now you want to navigate. Normally you'd want to navigate to additional settings, but for some reason the device decided to change the language to the language of a SIM card, which I'm pretty sure I had set it to be English, but I guess F my options. So disregard what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna change the language so everybody can see basically what I'm doing, what I'm pressing on in an actual like English language. So in here, where is it? It's gonna be here. Yep, there we go. Obviously also removed the language, because why wouldn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna, oh come on, so now it closed off the settings. Amazing. I'm just gonna pop it in, pop it back in here, repeat the process. Come on, give me the pop-up. Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Okay, for some reason now it pops out when you take out the SIM card, so it's the opposite way. Anyway, now I'm back where I'm supposed to be with, well, a language that it's supposed to be in. So let's progress through the bypass. So, like I mentioned, we're gonna select additional settings right over here. Then we're gonna navigate to backup and reset. And you simply want to select erase all data, factory reset, erase all data, and do that once again and once again, and this will now begin a factory reset of the device. Now I will take out the SIM card all the way, so it's not really necessary. So right now the phone will be resetting, and on here when you do a reset of the device through settings, this just completely removes the protection from the device. Some phones have it that when you reset the device actually through the settings, it does this, but you need to have the phone set up. Here you can do it without even needing to set it up fully. So yeah, once the process is finished, the device is fully unlocked. Now once it's done, I'm gonna go quickly through the setup just so you can see it. I will be skipping as much as I can to save on time, but obviously in your case you can set it up however you want. Now as you can see, the process is finished, so we can now go through the setup. Like I mentioned before, I will just go through a quick one. And there we go. As you can see, now the setup is finished. There was no need to verify anything. That is because the device is fully unlocked now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.